Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about book evaluation. Lesson 5 Computer Virus. First Roman letter D words. First word programmer. 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 Second word size. SEIZE. Distortion. DISORTION. Distortion. Attachment. 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 Illegal. 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 Custom scan. CUSTOM. Custom scan. SCAN. Custom scan. Recognition. 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 Next word unauthorized. Unauthorized. AUTHORISED. Unauthorized. Next word traffic. 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 Next word sensitive. 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 Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Email virus transmit through email. A worm is a malicious program that duplicates itself. Malware is derived from the word malicious and software. You must upload your antivirus software regularly. Network virus enter the system through the network. Encryption is done at sender machine. Decryption is done at receiver machine. Once again, email virus transmit through email. A worm is a malicious program that duplicates itself. Malware is derived from the word malicious and software. You must upload your antivirus software regularly. Network virus enter the system through the network. Encryption is done at sender machine. Decryption is done at receiver machine. Choose the correct answer. Computer virus emerged in the 1980. A person who creates computer virus is called programmer. Third one, virus which are activate themselves after a specific time are called bombs. Virus which are activate themselves after specific time are called bombs. Which of the following is an antivirus software? Norton. The stone virus damaged the boot sector of hard disk and floppy disk. Say whether the given statement are true or false. First one, firewall control the incoming and outgoing network traffic. True. Virus can infect computer hardware like keyboard and monitor. False. True enna computer cannot infect computer hardware like keyboard and monitor. Virus cannot infect files which are written on protected disk like CD-ROM. True. A worm means write once, read many, is a malicious program that duplicates itself. True. A polymorphic virus infects a file or changes its binary pattern to get detected. True. Expand the following. First one, SDK. Software, SOFT, WARE, software development, DEVELOP, development, MENT, development, kit, KIT, kit. SDK stands for software development kit. Second word, RGB, red, green, blue. RED, red, green, 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 blue, BLUE, blue. PS, postscript. POST, post, script, 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 postscript. GUI, graphical, GRAPHICAL, graphical. USER, user interface. INTR, interface. GUI means graphical user interface. CUI, command user interface. COMMAND, command. User, USER, user interface. INTER, interface, command user interface. Match the following. F5, execute the program. Edit, arrow cut, remove the text. Find, to locate a particular text. Title bar, minimize button. SQRT, library functions. Once again, the match the following. First one, F5, execute the program. Edit, arrow cut, remove the text. Find, to locate a particular text. Title bar, minimize button. SQRT, library function. Answer the following question. What is virus? Virus is a computer program that attacks a computer and written by virus programmer. What is virus? A virus is a computer program that attacks a computer and written by a programmer. Attack. ATTACK, attack. Written, WRITTEN, programmer. PROGRAMMER, programmer. Expand virus. Virus stands for vital information resource under siege. VITAL, vital information. IN, in. FOR, for. MAT, mat. ION, information. Under. UNDER, under. Siege, SEIGE. Third question. List out the ways virus can affect computer. It can modify important files. Important files modify பண்ணலாம் பண்ணிக்கும். என்ன சொல்லிருக்கா? A virus can infect data files stored in a computer. Once again saying, restore the ways the virus can affect a computer. It can modify important files. Modify, 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 important, 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 files, files, important files. Infect, infects, infects. Stored, stored, stored. Computer, computer. List out the symptoms of virus. Computer lockup, computer automatic lockup, data loss, unusual message, screen distortion, reduced computer performance. Lockup, lock, lock, up, up, data loss, data, loss, data loss. Message, message, message. Screen, screen, screen. Computer performance, computer, computer. Performance, performance, mance. Next question. List out the types of virus: bomb, spyware, boot sector virus, worm, email virus, Trojan horse. Bomb, bomb. Spyware, spyware. Boot sector, boot, sector, boot sector. Worm, worm. Trojan, Trojan. Horse, horse. How do you get a computer virus? Through an infected CD or pen drive, through email attachment, through file download from internet. How do you get a computer virus? Through infected CD or pen drive, through email attachment, through file download from internet. Infected, infected, infected. Pen drive, pen, drive, pen drive. Attachment, attachment, attachment. File, download, down, download. Internet, net. Seventh question. Which one is considered as the most expensive virus in the world? My Doom. My Doom. Doom. What is mean by hacking? Hacking refers to illegal entry into the computer system to steal information like sensitive information. Example, credit card. Illegal, illegal, illegal. Steal, steal, steal. sensitive, 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 information, in, for, mat, ion, credit card, credit, credit card, card, card. What is antivirus program? Antivirus program check the files on your computer to detect virus and also remove them. Antivirus programs check the files on your computer to detect virus and also remove them. check, detect, detect, virus, 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 remove, remove. Tenth question, list of some popular antivirus software. Norton, NORTA, Norton, Kaspersky, MCA Free, F-Secure, AVG, K7 Total Security, Quick Heal. Norton, NORTAN, Norton. Casper, KASPER, Casper, Sky, SKY, Sky. MCA Free, MCA F Secure, SECURE, F Secure, F K7, AVG, Quick Heal, QUICK, Heal, HEAL, Heal. What are the two types of scan used by antivirus? Full system scan, custom scan. Two types of scan used in antivirus is full system scan and custom scan. Full system scan scans the entire system. Custom scan scans the system as per requirement. Full system scan, FULL, full, SYSTEM, stem, scan, SCAN, custom, CUSTOM, custom. Entire, ENTIRE, entire. Requirement, REQUIRE, requirement, MENT, requirement. List out some common biometric authentication method. Fingerprint recognition, voice recognition, face recognition, iris recognition, fingerprint, FINGER, fingerprint, PRINT, print, recognition, RECOGNITION, fingerprint recognition. User fingerprint is used to identify and authenticate him her. A fingerprint sensor is used to create as well as capture the digital image of a fingerprint. This image is compared to the stored image of a verified fingerprint. If both this print matches, access is granted. voice recognition, VOIC, voice, RECOGNITION. Here a user voice can be used to identify and authenticate him or her. Just like a fingerprint, a user voice can also be captured. Face recognition, FACE, face, RECOGNITION, face recognition. The analysis of facial feature is done by scanning person face. It helps to authenticate an individual identity. Iris recognition, IRIS, iris, RECOGNITION. Iris identification is done by scanning the iris of the eye. Iris recognition is one of the best way of authentication in high risk situation. What is firewall? A firewall can be either software or hardware or both. It prevents unauthorized access to your system through internet. It, it controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. A firewall can be either software or hardware or both. It prevents unauthorized access to your system through internet. It controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. Software, SOFTWARE, software. Hardware, HARWARE, software. Unauthorized, prevent, PREVENT, prevent. Unauthorized, UNAUTHORISED. Control, CONTROL, control. Incoming, INCOMING, incoming. Outgoing, OUT, outgoing. GOING. Network, NET, WORK, network. Traffic, TRAFFIC. Name the following. First one, a computer that infects computer is called virus. A boot sector virus is stone virus. Area where encryption is widely used is internet banking. A program to detect and remove virus is antivirus. INTER, internet, NET, internet banking, 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 virus, 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 anti, anti. What are the following points need to kept in mind to protect from computer virus? Restrict access to the system. Install an individual program on your computer. Read the email received from a known person. Don't download programs on the internet. When you are inserting a pen drive into a system, always scan it before opening. Restrict, RESTRICT, restrict. Access, ACCEXS, access. Received, RECEIVED, received. Download, DOWN, down, LOAD, download. Program, PROGRAM, program. PEN pen, drive, 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 scan, 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 known person, KN mode, WN, known person, PER per, SON. Once again, the following files you need to keep in mind while protect the computer from virus. Restrict access to the system. Restrictனா restrict பண்ணி வைக்கணும். எதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம், ஒன்று ரீட் பண்ண முடியுமா, ரைட் பண்ண முடியாது. இன்ஸ்டால் இன் இண்டிவிஜுவல் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் ஆன் யுவர் கம்ப்யூட்டர். இண்டிவிஜுவல் ப்ரோக்ராம் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிக்கணும். ரீட் த இமெயில் ரிசீவ்ட் ஃப்ரம் நோன் பர்சனாக இருந்தால் ரீட் பண்ணு. டோன்ட் டவுன்லோட் த ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் இன் த இன்டர்நெட். டவுன்லோட் பண்ணாத. when you are inserting a pen drive, first of all you scan it. Second question, write the steps to scan your computer using Kaspersky antivirus. Double click the Kaspersky icon on the taskbar. The Kaspersky window appears. Second one, click the scan option. A new screen appears. Select the full scan option. Click run scan button to scan all the drives of your computer. Click the close button on the Kaspersky window to exit. Double click DOUBLE, double click CLICK, window WINDO, window appears. APPEARS appears. Button BUTTON, button. Drives, DRIVES, drives. Run scan, RUN, run, SCAN, scan. Close, CLOSE, close. Window WINDO, window. Exit, EXIT. Write down the steps to scan your computer using Kaspersky antivirus. Double click the Kaspersky icon on the taskbar. The Kaspersky window appears. Click the scan option. A new screen appears. Select the full scan option. Click run scan button to scan all drives of your computer. Click the close button on the Kaspersky window to exit. Thank you.